Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best hand putty is probably one of the most underrated tools for anyone looking to improve their hand strength and dexterity. Whether you're recovering from an injury, managing arthritis, or simply looking to boost your grip, hand putty offers a versatile and engaging way to exercise. In this video, we'll dive into the world of hand putty, exploring its benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to fit your needs. Number 5. FlintRehab Therapy Putty, 4-pack. This putty is perfect for relieving stress and anxiety. It's a great tool to use during work or travel. The tactile stimulation helps improve focus and reduce stress. Use this therapy putty to strengthen your hand and finger muscles. Squeezing, stretching, and twisting it improves flexibility and grip strength. It's also great for relieving stiffness. Take it with you wherever you go to keep your mind focused. It won't stick to your hands or leave residue. This makes it a clean and reliable choice for hand rehabilitation and daily stress relief. Made with premium silicone, it's gentle on sensitive skin. This exercise putty is designed for every age and is gluten-free. It offers a safe and enjoyable experience. The kit includes 4 color-coded firmness levels. These levels support progressive hand rehab and offer endless fun. Choose the level that best suits your needs. What we like. This putty offers 4 different resistance levels, allowing you to gradually increase the challenge as your hand strength improves. If you're looking for a hand therapy tool that grows with you and provides a range of options, you should consider this. It's also great for stress relief, so you can use it anytime, anywhere. What people say. Great for rehab as it helps get the hands and fingers working again. This was a great purchase as it graduates from soft to hard. Perfect for hand therapy. Each of the 4 tubs comes with a different resistance level, clearly color-coded from extra soft to firm, which makes it easy to progress as hand strength improves. The texture is just right, pliable and smooth without being sticky or crumbly. Number 4. CanDo Theraputty Plus Hand Exercise Putty, Green Medium. This hand exercise material helps you strengthen your hand muscles. You can squeeze, pinch, stretch, or twist it to improve your fine motor skills and reduce stress. People of all ages can benefit from using this product. Children can use it to develop fine motor skills, and adults can use it for hand rehabilitation, general hand strengthening, and stress relief. This putty is made from premium materials that won't dry out. It's also latex, gluten, and casein-free. It's safe for everyone and non-toxic if swallowed. Fine motor skills are important for daily tasks. This product helps improve those skills by strengthening finger muscles and simulating common daily movements. There is no setup required. Just open the container and grab the amount you want to use. It stays together without crumbling, making it easy to use. What we like. This putty is designed to improve fine motor skills, which is crucial for everyday tasks. If you are looking to improve your hand strength and dexterity, this is a great choice. It's also easy to use, so you can start your therapy right away. What people say. The putty is great for hand therapy. It has different resistance levels. The container is easy to open and close. Number 3. Special Supplies Therapy Putty Kit. This hand therapy putty is designed for both teens and adults. It helps to stimulate your hands and fingers, improving strength and providing relaxation. You can stretch, pull, pinch, twist, and smush it for endless fun. This putty provides a tactile sensory experience that stimulates fine motor development. Each set comes with 4 individual containers, each with its own brilliant color. This allows for color-coded therapy or rotating daily use of the product. It's a great way to strengthen the joints and muscles in your hands and fingers. The putty is also helpful for injury recovery. Keep it with you when you're traveling, at work, or wherever you need to keep your mind focused and your hands busy. It's easy to carry around. Made with premium silicone, it's gentler on sensitive skin. It's also much safer for teens to use. What we like. This putty comes in a variety of fun colors, making therapy more engaging. If you want a hand therapy tool that's both effective and enjoyable, you should consider this. It's also made with non-toxic silicone, making it safe for everyone. What people say. The putty is easy to use and provides a good workout for the hands and fingers. The different resistance levels are helpful for progressive strengthening. The putty is a good size and easy to grip. Number 2. FitBeast Flex Therapy Bar for elbow and grip. Introducing the FitBeast Flex Therapy Bar, designed to alleviate elbow pain. This innovative tool helps reduce discomfort in your hands, wrists, and forearms. It's perfect for those suffering from tendonitis. This hand exerciser bar is an effective tool for strengthening your grip, wrists, and forearms. Engineered for optimal resistance, it enhances strength from your elbows to your fingertips. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable workout. The FitBeast bar set features 4 color-coded resistance levels. You can tailor your exercise routine with different levels, allowing for a progressive increase in strength. Start with the level that suits you and advance at your own pace. Whether you're an athlete, artist, or simply looking to improve daily tasks, this bar is for you. It strengthens the muscles in your elbow, wrist, forearm, and hand. It's a reliable tool for anyone looking to increase hand functionality and strength. Jumpstart your strength journey with the FitBeast Therapy Bar Set. It comes with a detailed exercise manual for optimal use. The guide provides straightforward workouts, allowing you to customize your training experience. What we like. This therapy bar is designed for rehabilitation and improving grip strength. If you're recovering from an injury or looking to enhance your hand and arm strength, you should consider this. It offers different resistance levels to suit your needs. What people say. The putty is great for hand therapy. It's the perfect resistance for my needs. I like the different colors and resistance levels. Number 1. Special Supplies Therapy Putty Kit. This hand therapy putty is designed to stimulate your hands and fingers. You can stretch, pull, pinch, twist, and smush it for endless fun, improving strength at the same time. Each set comes with 6 individual containers of putty, each with its own brilliant color. This makes it easier for color-coded therapy or rotating their daily use. This occupational therapy putty is a great way to strengthen the joints and muscles in your hands and fingers. It also provides a tactile sensory experience that stimulates fine motor development or injury recovery. Keep this stretchy soft putty with you when you're traveling, at work, or wherever you need to keep your mind focused and your hands busy. It's a great way to relieve stress. This hand putty is made with premium silicone instead of natural rubber latex, which makes it gentler on sensitive skin or those with skin allergies. It's also much safer for kids. What we like. This putty comes in a variety of fun, kid-friendly colors, making therapy more engaging. If you want a hand therapy tool that's both effective and enjoyable for kids, you should consider this. It's also great for stress relief, so you can use it anytime, anywhere. What people say. The putty is great for hand therapy. It's the perfect resistance for my needs. I like that it comes in different resistance levels. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.